The second match tonight is at Sharjah. So what more to say? It's going to be explosive, right? Sharjah has never disappointed when it comes to sixes and the runs being scored. But the last couple of nights it's been a bit more sober because scores have been not touching 200. Earlier matches were all about 200, both teams getting 200. The wickets are getting slower, and so are the spinners who are coming into the front, and they've been contributing a bit. When it comes to Delhi Capitals, the only worry over there is their fitness. Ever since the tournament has started, they've been struggling. Ashwin missed a few games. His replacement was Amit Mishra. He too got injured and he's been ruled out from the tournament. Ishant Sharma, he too has been ruled out after playing just one game. Rishabh Pant is injured. He has not played last game. Don't think he is fit enough to come in this game either. And the latest entry is Captain Shreyas Iyer, who we saw going out of the field when they were fielding, clutching his shoulders. Apart from injuries, I think they have all set. Their team is doing exceptionally well. Their batting, Shikhar Dhawan is looking a class apart. So has been Prithvi Shaw, Shreyas Iyer. The only concern was Hetmeyer, who was looking very good, had to be replaced by Carey, but Carey too is not a bad player after all. He's also a great find for Australia, so it's time for him to also make a mark in this tournament. When it comes to bowling, two people have been setting the speed guns on fire. Kagiso Rabada and Nortje. Both of them have been fighting for wickets as well as who tops the speed charts. So it's the two fast bowlers being supported ably by Akshar Patel and Ravichandran Ashwin. Ashwin has been exceptional bowling very well in the last few games. So they have a task cut out because they are facing an experienced CSK side. But there's an interesting matchup where Akshar Patel has got the better of Shane Watson a few times. So it remains to be seen if Akshar comes into bowl when Watson, if he opens. CSK also have a side packed with batsmen and all-rounders. All 11 can bat and 7 can bowl. What more do you want? It's just that CSK has not been able to find the right player at the right spot. Because when you have too many options, that is a headache you have. You won't know. You know where to play, whom to play where. So that has been the scenario. I think it is time that they sort it out. Watson, du Plessis, Rayudu, all in form, and also we see an emerging all-rounder in Sam Curran. Dwayne Bravo has been also doing well with the ball, and Karan Sharma and Piyush Chawla would also be wanting to bowl on these slower Sharjah wickets. It's just that the dimensions of the ground, Sharjah is small, but since the wicket has been getting slower, the matchups are getting a bit more interesting. So bowlers are also coming into the forefront in Sharjah after such a long time, after taking backseat for a long time. So it's going to be an explosive match. CSK versus Delhi. Delhi definitely the team to beat because they are on top of the charts. But CSK, they have been showing signs of promise, and they can't afford to slip up further. So it's time for a comeback, a gallant comeback from the CSK, the men in yellow. Let's go see what is in store in Sharjah. Dhoni versus Shreyas Iyer. It's CSK fans. Let's see if CSK fans have something to whistle about.